Hello, welcome to Learning with Ms. H. Today we're going to be into one of my Canvas lessons for my classes. We're going to do the lesson entitled Racing Extinction. Now obviously your dates are going to be different, but we're going to look at the lesson with that title. So let's open that up. So what we're going to be talking about during this unit is climate change, global warming, human impact, our interactions with Earth, the balance of Earth ecosystems, and what the future holds. This lesson today is going to be a look at our possible future if we don't make some changes. So the video itself is called Racing Extinction. We're going to watch this in class. If you are not in my class, you will not have access to the Canvas page. So you will need to find a copy of Racing Extinction on your own legally, please, and watch it on your own. For my class, the video is embedded at the bottom of this page. It's this down here. We're going to watch it together, and then you will have some questions that you're going to answer in essay format. Please don't do a Q&A. I want you to write an actual essay, 1 page minimum, 12-point, normal font, single-spaced, all the usual requirements. Make sure that you're following all the guidelines. A lot of you guys are not quite writing enough. I ask for a page and you only give me half, or I ask for single space and you double. A few of you have tried to adjust the margins. I catch all that. I was in high school once myself. All of your teachers have tried all the tricks. So please just follow directions. Make sure you're following all of our guidelines that we give you so that we can give you full credit. If you don't, we have to take points off. So make your own Google Doc. You can jot stuff down on a piece of paper for now if you'd like, and then type it up later. Totally fine. I'm just going to make your own Google Doc. Type up your essay in response to these prompts, and then submit it through this assignment. All right, so what questions are you going to need to answer? There are 2 kind of umbrella questions, and the second one has some parts to it. So first of all, you're going to tell me, do you think we are actually headed for another mass extinction? Why or why not? There is no right or wrong answer here. It's your opinion. Your opinion is yours. It's based on your belief systems. So tell me what you think. In your opinion, are we headed for a mass extinction or not? Tell me why you believe that. Give me an explanation. Make sure that you cite at least 2 sources that helped you form that opinion. You don't get to just come up with something because it sounds good. You need to actually have a basis behind it, have some evidence behind it. So at least 2 sources. This is what I found. This is why I believe we are or are not headed for a mass extinction. So that's the first question that you're going to answer. Regardless of what you said, you will all answer the second topic as well, as if we are headed for another mass extinction. Even if you don't think we are, you're still going to answer this question as if we were. 2 parts to this. Number 1, how are humans contributing to this possible mass extinction? And number 2, what, if anything, can we do to slow down this mass extinction that's coming, or that we're in, depending on your belief. 1 page total. It does not matter how that page is distributed. So you can talk for, 3/4 of a page about number 1 and 1/4 about number 2, vice versa. It doesn't matter as long as you have both of these topics covered and it is a full page. Please remember, this is not an English paper. When you submit this, your name is attached to the paper. I don't need all of that header stuff that you put on your English papers. If you give me a 1-page document that has 6 lines of title page stuff at the top of it, that doesn't count towards your length, okay? We've talked about this all year. those 6 lines need to be made up on page 2. If you insist on doing that, however many lines it takes up, that's how far you need to go onto page 2, because when I grade this, if you have something like that, I am going to open that up in a Word document that I can edit, and I'm going to pull that out and see how long it is without that. If it's not long enough, you're losing points. So don't do it. We will click right here to watch the video. We do have permission to show the video in class, so we can watch it together. But I do not have permission to share it widely with the world, which is why those of you who are not in my class are going to have to find a copy of it on your own. It's out there. You can find it. It is legal to obtain it. It is from the Discovery Channel, so that's a great place to start. So find your own copy, watch it. It's really an eye-opening video. It's a little bit jarring and very real. So take a look at it, watch the video, answer your essay questions, get those turned in, and we'll see you next time.